Who's there?
Just nonsense.
Stephanie, what are you doing here?
You know I love the shock on your face. Now you know what it feels to be shocked. See yourself down and out. Just, you know, I can actually keep you here for 2 years and nothing will happen.
Stephanie, do not tell me that you know something about this.
Well, I kidnapped you. Yes. Yeah, I did. This is my property. One of them. After you did what you did, I vowed to take revenge. I traveled out of the country and I came back loaded, strong and better. Even very dangerous, Charles. Very dangerous. You know, you're not supposed to put you in prison for 2 years. Do you know that?
Stephanie, what are you going to achieve by doing this? I thought we've discussed this. And settled it.
Well, this too shall pass. Also, when you were busy frolicking the whole city, eating bank money, what were you thinking? That it will remain forever? No. This is life, my dear.
Stephanie, why are you doing this?
Oh, well, you don't worry. Because very soon, you will find out. But don't you know that heaven knows no fury that it will not scorn? Well, I just decided to come and see your face. Now that I've said it, I'm off. If you need something, do let me know.
Stephanie, what exactly do you want?
Foko, no this hour. Foko, no this hour.
I feel alone in this world.
I don't know. Both the man and my brother, they are saying that, you know, they didn't do anything, and they're pretty convincing. Pretty convincing. So,
wow. I don't understand this. I mean, who kidnapped him then?
I have no idea. If I know, I won't be here. And Donald has one special executive assistant like that. You know, I hardly talk to him because I'm afraid of him, but I don't know.
You think he's the person that did it?
I don't know.
What about his relations? Have you told them?
I spoke to his elder brother.
Okay.
And That one, he was just complaining, grumbling, just blaming everything on Charles. Someone that Charles took a loan from the bank, took a loan of 3 million naira because of him from the bank, and he never paid back. He never paid back. Charles had to pay back the bank with his own money, with interest too, so that he doesn't lose his job.
Remember
So
it.
that one was just... No, I don't have anybody to talk to.
It's okay.
Even my mother. My mother. And my brother. I can't talk to them because they treat me like an outsider. It's okay. I don't know whether they hate me. I don't know.
I feel alone in this world.
Everything's going to
Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me.
I came to apologize for my disrespectful behavior towards you. I realized I was ungrateful, and that's not how it should be. I'm sorry. Can we have dinner at my place later today? If that will make you happy.
Sure. Hop in, let's go.
Thank you.
Smart. Yes, boss. Something is happening. And we need to understand it. Rita's so-called fiancé has just been kidnapped. And she believes that I am behind it. I need you to get to work. I need to know who the kidnapper is and why the young man has been kidnapped. And if by extension, we should be worried. I want answers. And I want it. So.
Alright, boss.
You believe?
God. How did I get myself into this? How did I get connected with this devilish woman? She came to my bank and pretended to be a genuine businesswoman. All for her to cajole me into a deadly relationship. I managed to free myself, not knowing that she has not freed herself from me.
James, you're home. You can't imagine what happened today. In fact, you can't imagine what happened today. Do you know where I ran into?
Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I will marry
Yes?
you. Yes. How did you know my size? It's so beautiful.
You like it, huh?
I love it. why I called you. Guess why I called you.
I wouldn't know.
Guess.
What?
Guess.
Jesus!
I told you.
This is so beautiful.
I told you.
Okay. This is good news.
Exactly. Immediately I dropped that call, got into the house, and there was a boom. It popped up the question. So please, what would you do?
Anything.
Because this celebration. No, damn! If anything, hold on, guys.
Yes. I can't wait for mine.
Hey. Charles.
Yes.
Just use it and support.
Stephanie. Steph, come on, no.
What? I work.
No, you shouldn't be doing this.
Come on, why not? I work, I earn money. So why can't I support you?
Steph, see, I am the man here. I should be the one providing for everything. I mean, you don't have to stress yourself doing this.
Whatever I do for you, I do for myself. Don't forget.
Anyway, thank you so much for everything. I don't even know what I can do without you.
What can't you do without me?
I appreciate it.
That's fine. Just, I need to solve it too.
Come in.
What's happening? She not picking. She's not picking. She better pick the call.
I am home. Why are you calling me by this time?
The man has escaped.
What? Escaped? Don't tell me.
We should be asking you. You made us believe the place was secure.
No. Please listen. Something is wrong somewhere. I mean, somebody's trying to sabotage me. Where is Martins?
Actually, I don't know his whereabouts. Listen,
We need to find him. Because I think he is trying to play a fast one. But I wouldn't let him. You know what? Wherever you are, you guys need to wait for me. I'll meet you by in the next 1 hour. Alright?
Alright. No problems. What did she say? So we should make sure we are safe wherever we are.
You're back.
Yes, yes, I am.
You good?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay.
Hey, babes. Babes. All right, honey. I am ready. Honey. Babes. Honey. What's going on? You're not dressed for the wedding.
Yeah, I'm not fine. I'm not feeling fine at all.
Sure. What happened? When did it start?
Just this morning I woke up and I'm feeling very feverish, all over me, all my body's paining me,
What else did you take last night?
Nothing more apart from I took you and one bottle of chilled beer.
Baby, come on. That is it. That's the cause. I don't touch suya. So, what have you taken?
Yeah, I've taken some medications and it's really subsiding.
It's so bad. And I told Betty that I'll be coming with you.
It's okay. You can go ahead and attend the wedding, okay? I won't stop you from going to catch fun.
Please, no. I have to stay back and take care of you.
Babe,
Please.
it's your friend's wedding. I won't stop you from going to catch your phone. Just go and be fine, okay? If she didn't see you, she won't be happy with you. Just go, okay? I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Please just take care of yourself, okay? Drink a lot of water.
I will.
I'll be back soon.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, actually, he looked gorgeous.
Thank you. Yeah. See you soon, okay?
He looked gorgeous, yeah. Bye. Who is sick? Me that is very strong. Want me to walk around with you? Ordinary criminal. I'm thief. Can't do that now.
Charles, what is going on? Why have you been avoiding me?
Nothing, I'm not avoiding you.
Excuse me? Charles, you think I'm a child? I know when a man wants a woman and when a man is tired. And that's exactly what you were doing. We've been fine and all of a sudden, your character changed towards me. What is it? Have I done anything wrong? Or are you tired like you found someone else?
No, I am not dating anyone.
Then what is it?
Stephanie, see, I cannot cope with your standard anymore.
Standard? What do you mean by standard?
I mean that.
That's fine. That's fine. I get your drift. That's okay. But you know what? I am not just that kind of woman that begs a man for love. I am not. No, I'm not. But it's just going to hurt me so much because I have spent so much on you, Charles. I have. But that's fine. I will take it the way it is. I'll just let you be. Do whatsoever you want. That's fine. From now onwards, trust me, I will not bother you. I'll let you do whatever you want. That's fine. Excuse me.
I never knew that this woman will ever come back again. God, save me. Save me from this, oh Lord.
Rita, what do you want me to do? Give it your game. Eh? You said this is not about ransom, so what exactly it is?
Just because I said it's not about ransom doesn't mean that he's okay where he is. He is your half-brother. Your brother. I mean, that should mean something to you. We need to save him.
So? Eh? And so? What are you saying? You said this issue is about a woman. So how do I get myself involved? I can't get myself involved to this. I cannot. Eh? I have told my brother Charles to go and get married. We've told him. But he keeps telling us today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. Now look at it now. Look at the whole mess. Look at it. And on top of it, he has lost his job. I can't do anything.
But
sorry.
You know this is not the point. Can we focus on what really matters?
That is the point. It is, Rita. But wait, too. Are you not the woman they talked about? Yes. It's you. You think we don't know? You think we don't know that you've been the one eating my brother's money all this while? Eh? You think we don't know that he is contesting you with another woman out there? And now you want me to get myself involved into this big mess? Eh? When you and my brother was busy doing love, kissing, mwah, mwah, and the rest of it, you didn't know that you will carry a child for him. You didn't know that you would tell him to get married to you. You didn't know? He contributed in your schooling, your feeding, your good looks. Look at how you are dressed now. Eh? All in the name of my brother's money. You think you don't know? And you want me, Julius, to get myself involved into your mess. You want me to help him? I am not getting myself involved into this problem. I am not. I won't.
Stephanie, what's your reason for keeping me captive for about 1 week now? What's your reason?
Satisfaction. You see, anytime I remember that you're here under this condition, I just drink and laugh. Oh yes, that's all I do.
I know you know the consequences of what you're doing. You will never get out of this. You're going to rot in jail if I finally come out from this, trust me.
Really? That's if you come out. My darling, that's if you come out. Do you think I'm naive? Is that what you think? Listen, I have everything mapped out. Everything.
What do you want me to do now?
Well, I will tell you when the time comes. But not now. But hey, never you forget that I turned a bad girl when I traveled out of this country. So, do not try anything stupid. Do not, because if you do, I will kill that girl and she will do nothing. So, help yourself and don't try anything funny. Have a nice day.
Stephanie.
Hey, quiet!
Stephanie!
Shut up, quiet! I hear that her name is Stephanie. Hmm? Who is she?
Ex-girlfriend or fiancée to Charles. A street girl who was involved with some local gangs. She sells and sniffs drugs. After separating with Charles, she traveled to Italy for more hustle. She came back last year, and since she has continued with singing, she has just put off a few games lately.
Okay. Do you happen to know the reason for the kidnapping?
I didn't establish that.
I see.
I didn't want my informant to get suspicious.
I understand that. I'll tell you what to do tomorrow. Whatever happens, I want you to know that that girl, Stephanie, is a talent.
Yes, boss. Hi, Juliet.
Hi, sweetheart. Where are you?
At work.
Okay, I would like to see you.
Any problems?
No problem at all. I just miss you so much.
Juliet, please, I have a very tight schedule with my boss right now. Okay? I'll call later in the day.
Hold on. You can't adjust your schedule for my sake. Is that what you're saying?
Please, I don't have time for this kind of talk right now. I will call later in the day, okay?
Charles, call that girl and call off everything between the both of you. Else I will kill her. You can test my resolve if you want. Or you can call the police. When we get there, we'll find out who the police will believe. Just don't forget who I am. I am connected, you know. Just one call, and your case will be notified. And that will get you into deeper trouble. So I am telling you now, take this phone, call that girl. Because she's the reason you are passing through what you are passing through right now. Call her.
Never. I will never do that. Never.
He will never do that. I see. Jingle.
Yes, boss.
Call Duncan. Tell him to proceed with the plan. He should use raw acid on her face.
No.
Yes, boss.
No, please, don't do that. I will do it. I will do it. Please don't hurt her.
He will do it. That's fine. ESP.
I take the phone.
Hello, Rita.
Charles, is this you?
Yes, it's me, Charles.
How are you? Are you okay?
I want you to listen attentively. I do not want the relationship again. It's over between us.
What did you just say?
You heard me right. I wanted to go. It's because of you I'm being punished here. Okay? So I want you to leave me alone so I can be a free man again.
Because of me? Are you sure?
See, let me tell you something. If I ever come out from here, I do not want to see you anywhere around me. Just stay away from me.
I'm hearing you, but Charles.
Are you going to leave me, or do you want to still hang around me, around my life, and allow them to kill me?
I don't want any harm to come to you. I don't want any harm to come to you.
Then I want you to leave me now. Bye. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Did you hear that, you idiot? You think you can come and reap where you did not sow? No. And now listen, after dealing with him, I will come for you. Because nobody humiliates me and goes scot-free. Never. Idiot.
Unlock this thing, let me go. Are you happy now? I've done what you wanted me to do. Unlock this and let me go.
Unlock what and let you go where? You think I'm stupid? I should let you go so you run after that idiot and apologize to her? Tell her rubbish about me? Is that what you... Do you think I'm naive? Is that what you think?
What is it? What is wrong with you? Go ahead and kill me if you want to kill me, you criminal. Go ahead and kill me instead of torturing me like this. I'm tired of this. Unlock me. You wanted me to marry a criminal like you who does that. Jezebel. Kill me if you want to. Go ahead and do it.
Well, newsflash. I'm not going to kill you, my darling. You will stay alive and suffer the pain that you caused me. I will not kill you.
Go ahead and kill me. Do it. Do it! Do it!
Charles, push me one more time and I'll waste this bullet on you. Don't try me.
Go ahead and do it. Don't be a coward.
A wool lover boy. Just look at you. Look at you. Don't try me. I'll waste it on you.
You see my daughter Rita? If you see this fine, tall, fair, handsome young man, fully loaded, coming to ask for her hand in marriage. You know Rita now turned a blind eye. Meanwhile, she's so interested in that her ex-hopeless, jobless young boy, what's that his name? And she's even telling me now that the man is missing.
Missing?
I'm telling you.
I do not understand the word missing. How?
She said that for a week now, no one has set their eyes on that ruffian. Can you imagine?
That boy is not missing.
I'm telling you.
He's just using an indirect way to avoid your daughter Rita.
In short, you're right. I mean, who would want to kidnap that a jobless boy that has nothing to show? Hey, if you don't have money now, who would kidnap you?
It's a setup.
Because I think I
setup.
believe you. Yes.
It's a setup.
Hey. So, a setup, how do you mean?
I've seen that kind of a thing before. Yes. It happened to my cousin's sister. She was busy going around one police station and the other, not knowing that the boy used his style to run away.
Onyanka, what they call artful dodger. He was dodging the girl.
Yes.
Men of these
and
days,
you know that your daughter is still a small girl. With time she will understand. You know, we've been in one of this love trap growing up. But now we know better.
Talk about it. We know better, my sister.
Yes.
Now we know that the more money that is available, the more love I am.
The more love.
There's no love without funny, oh.
No
I
love.
go ya
no
wolo
money.
madanya.
Please,
Anyway, I think I have to be on my way.
Okay.
I need to buy 1 or 2 things. See if I can get her to eat. She's not feeling too well.
It's fine. Today's service was wonderful. I need to get home too.
Yes, all right. Yeah.
All right.
God
Bye.
bless.
Though we go through pains, though we go through trials, and so many hurdles, but love conquers all.
You're the only person that I've seen in this whole world that God gives sugar to enjoy. How long will it take you to know that that man is no longer interested in you? I thought you were intelligent. A graduate. You can't even tell when a man is no longer interested in you. Shame on you. I feel it.
Rita, or whatever you call yourself, how can you just decide to turn our time of celebration to a time of mourning? Who does that? What is wrong with you? Mama, this girl needs deliverance. Yes. We need to take her to a pastor. She needs deliverance. Nonsense.
Agaracha must come back. You will come and sweep this place.
Come, Boji Malono.
And I'll call Agaracha and come.
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me. But the voice of my heart.
My boss sent me to come and pick you up.
Yes, I know. He called.
Should I go for love or for the money? Should I please myself finally?
It's alright to fix it. A couple of days ago, Rita, you ran to me, crying, screaming and wailing, accusing me of kidnapping him. I'm human, I got worried. Not worried about your accusation of me kidnapping her, no. I was worried about you. And so I decided to do something about it. Pushed a few buttons, and he got released. From what I have gathered, the woman who kidnapped your small-time boyfriend is a woman that I can put in prison for the rest of her life if I choose to. But I decided otherwise because I do not want to interfere The affairs of two lovers. Young man, you have to be careful. Huh? You have to be careful the kinds of people that you do, especially women. Ah, Charles, your boyfriend, he would have thought. Look at you. I see a spineless young man. Who would have thought that you would have had something to do with a criminal? You went to bed with a criminal. You went to bed with a kidnapper, a low-life drug addict, Charles. What were you thinking? Even if you wanted to cheat on her, why a criminal? Why play with your life like that? Huh? That woman picked you up, tied you up, put you away. For a whole week, you could not move. You were disheveled. You were frustrated. She could have ruined your life if I had not intervened. Huh? I ask you, Charles, what kind of a man are you?
Thank you. Thank you so much for saving my life. Stephanie and I parted ways long ago.
And I can't.
Please, I'm not interested in your love story. Okay? This was more about her. Clearing up her belief that I had kidnapped. Kidnapped you, why?
I am so sorry about the whole thing.
It's okay. These things happen. Huh? Every successful man has a story, and even the unsuccessful ones, like yourself, has a past as well. Huh? As we can clearly see. Charles, from this moment, you're a free man. Go and sin no more. Huh? Please.
My boss has made sure that woman doesn't bother you anymore. But I advise you, stay off Rita. Don't let my boss change his mind about you. Enjoy your freedom in peace.
I had no intention of contesting Rita with him. As you can see, we've been together for some time now.
It's okay. It's okay. Just be careful. You can leave.
what's happening? You come back. You know the smart, see?
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please come to daddy. I'm waiting for you for a long time. I am sad.
I hope you know that I intervened because of you. I couldn't live with myself, seeing you distraught. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And to think that your small-time boyfriend was sleeping with a criminal. What do you have to say about that?
I guess I'm disappointed. You know, I was busy running helter-skelter. I was trying to save him.
Oh, well, hold on. What, you're trying to tell me that he never mentioned it. This, what, you were hearing it for the first time?
Yes.
What, you don't say? Are you serious? What? Come on. That's not good.
It's not good, right?
No, it's not. You should have at least mentioned it, even if it's just once.
He never mentioned it to me.
You see? Are you accusing me? You thought that I was the bad guy.
So, about that,
Yeah.
can I just say that I'm truly sorry. Everybody was confused, distorted with all my thoughts. Can you forgive me?
You are forgiven. I forgive you long before now.
Kind.
I know.
Kind is right.
I get that all the time.
I guess I'm ready to go.
Of course you're right. Huh? You know what? Come. Come on. Come. It's okay. Hey. It's just you and I here. So it's fine.
I guess.
Oh my John. Huh? Hey. I am Ototo. Ugebo Igbo. Where my name along me Jesu.
Of all that has happened, the most painful part is to lose Rita, and the most disgraceful man.
Charles, I understand how painful it is to start all over again. But I would advise you to stand as a man, to face the reality of a fresh start.
To build love is not to build a house.
Did you try to explain the truth to her?
She won't even listen to me. The kind of embarrassment I gave to her is unforgivable.
And you never told her about that woman before?
It's not like that. She has already left my life before I met Rita. It was because of her bad character that I ran away, not because of Rita. She twisted all that just to get back at me. Rita is feeling guilty. I'm grateful to that man because she accused him of kidnapping me.
This is so complicated. At times, fate separates people who are actually meant to be together. But I can assure you that nothing happens without God's knowledge.
Brother, what do I do? This is already a mess. How do I clear it?
Everything will come to pass. At least, you you have your freedom now.
Mama, brother,
Again, Sister Al.
I just want to say that I'm deeply sorry from the deepest part of my heart for all the troubles, for all the stress I might have caused you both. I'm sorry. I didn't know Charles had such secrets. I didn't know. To think that I opened up my heart, my soul, gave him my love. I mean, I gave him everything, and it's just...
What if that doubt had hurt you? Or even killed you? Eh? I mean, what would I have told my fellow church people? Eh? Church women. Hey!
Mama, I need all this why. Because I see both in physical and in spiritual. Next time when I talk, you will listen to me.
You know, from the day my daughter started dating that Charles, her life has been at a standstill. No progress, nothing.
Mama, that guy is cursed. I'm telling that guy. I know that one woman from somewhere he must have duped or dumped had gone to maybe any strong medicine man to have made his life miserable. I'm telling you now. If she had married that guy, she would suffer till infinity.
Well, we thank God not done us, you know what?
Oh, done.
Done, I mean, with done, who's our wele? Who's our blugo selele welele? No suffering, no anything, no heartache. Hey, love and see my
Mama.
And
Don is a good man. In spite of all his money, he's kind.
Yes? I want to ask you,
are
you a good man?
Shut up, let me talk.
You know, I just want to ask, God has saved you from that cha-cha. Even from the sound of his name. How can you be calling a man cha-cha and you think things will be good for you? I love you, cha-cha. Nna.
Good day, ma.
Good day. You're welcome. What about Chief?
Very fine.
Okay.
That's for you, from my boss.
How?
My boss said I should give you this. It's for you.
You dey whine me?
For my son?
Yes, ma'am.
For me?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Let's
Hey! Hey, wait! Hey!
You see, Claudia?
Hey!
Look at it. Come on, quit busy for us!
Mama!
Eh?
I'm a cow!
Check out, tell her you busy!
Tell her you busy! Hey!
Okay. I think I chief for one year. I'm like another chief code. 1 year.
I'm a cow!
Hey! Nah. No more keke.
Hey! On est cambusi.
But tell her to meet in a hurry.
Speaking of marriage, you mentioned to me that your sister is getting married.
Yes, boss.
I'll get to the office tomorrow. I'll make out a check for 5 million naira.
Wow!
That's my gift to the family.
Wow!
Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's fine, Smart. You have been good. You have been diligent. You have been loyal. And you have kept faith with me. If I do it for others, why can I not do it for my own person? You have been with me every step of the way.
I don't know how to thank you, boss. You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. I don't know what to say. In fact, I can take a bullet for you, boss.
We'll see about that, Smart. Huh?
Thank you so much, boss.
Get to work.
Wow.